In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Handelsbanken bank account. Opening a bank account with Handelsbanken is a straightforward process, but it involves a few crucial steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to figure out which Handelsbanken branch or country you'll be using. Handelsbanken operates in various countries, so you'll want to go to the specific website for your country. For instance, if you're in the UK, head to handelsbanken.co.uk. If you're located in Sweden, you'll want to visit handelsbanken.se, and for those in Norway, handelsbanken.no is your destination. Each of these sites will provide tailored information and services based on your location, so it's important to start there. Once you've selected the correct branch, the next important step is to get in touch with them. Handelsbanken works through local branches, and the best way to start your account opening process is to contact them directly. You can usually find the contact details for your nearest branch through the local website, and you have the option to either call them or send an email. By reaching out, you'll initiate the first stage of the banking relationship, and they can guide you through the necessary steps from there. After making contact, you'll need to prepare some documents. Documentation is a fundamental part of opening a bank account, and you'll typically need to bring along a few key items. A passport or national ID is essential as it proves your identity. Additionally, you'll need proof of address, which could be a recent utility bill, a bank statement, or any official correspondence that confirms where you live. In some cases, the bank might also ask for proof of income or job details, so it's wise to have those on hand just in case. When you've gathered all the necessary documentation, you're ready to apply. At this stage, you'll have two main options. You can either visit the branch in person, or depending on the branch's procedures, you might be able to fill out the forms they send you. During your application, the bank will carefully check all your documents to ensure everything is in order. Once everything is verified, and assuming there are no issues, your application should be approved. Congratulations! You've now opened your Handelsbanken bank account. By following these steps, choosing your country or branch, contacting the bank, preparing your documents, and completing the application, you've established a secure banking relationship with an institution known for its service and reliability. Remember, each step is important to ensure a seamless experience, and don't hesitate to reach out to your local branch if you have any questions or need further guidance.